Hey guys, I'm back to talk a little bit more about fractions. So I'm going to talk about comparing fractions. I know that a lot of my students, whenever they have to compare fractions, they're like, no, I don't even know how to do that. No, thank you. I don't like fractions. Well, I don't like fractions. You don't like fractions. Your parents don't like fractions. Nobody really likes fractions, honestly. All right, so I'm going to try to give you like my tricks for even understanding what these signs mean, because I know some of you guys are sitting there like, fraction, I don't even know what these signs mean. Well, let me help you out. So I have tried to learn the alligator when I was in middle school. I just could not understand and remember the difference between this sign and this sign. So what I realized as an adult, if you draw a number line, here's my number line, right? Here's 0, all these numbers are positive, all these numbers are negative, right? Okay. But check this number line out though. Over here on this left side, all of those numbers are negative. So the more you go to this side, like even though your number gets bigger, the more you go on the negative side, think about your bank account. The more you go on the negative side, the more money you owe, which means that's less money that you have. So if I'm going over here to the left, I'm literally, look at this sign right here. This sign right here that's on the number line, all I do is draw a number line. This sign points to the small numbers. So that means this is called less than. All the numbers on this side are less than the numbers on this side. The more you go this side, the bigger you get. So therefore that sign represents bigger than. That's the method that I use. They do the alligator, they do the fish and all that stuff. It just does not work for me, those explanations. Like, yeah, as an adult, I see it, but as a kid, I was like, what? All right, so now to compare the fractions. So let's say I had 3/5 and 2/7. And I had to compare that. So the way that I do it and the way that I find the easiest in my 11 years, I've come across many ways to do it. You could turn these into decimals and figure that out, but that takes a lot of work. So I'd much rather work smarter, not harder. So anytime they want you to compare these, what you're gonna do is you're just going to, some of you guys might already know this, but it's a good reminder. I put circles up here. So you just draw like arrows going up. Do not draw the arrows on the bottom. You're not going from down up there to down there. You're going from here up to here. So I draw the arrows up to the top and I just multiply. What's 7 times 3? 21. What's 5 times 2? 10. 21 is bigger than 10. Therefore, the answer would be bigger than, greater than. That's all you do. That's it, all there is to it. Okay, let's say I have 4/9 and 2/7. Let's try that one. All right, go ahead and pause and try it on your own. All right, so you should have paused and tried it on your own. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my crossways, and then 4 times 7 is, I think, 28. Hold on, I'm having a moment. 4 times 7, 7 times 3 is 20. Oh, yeah, 28. Had a whole moment. All right, 9 times 2 is 18. That just goes to show you that just because we're adults doesn't mean that we don't have our moments. So like, we're human, so we're gonna mess up. It's okay. That's why, like, honestly, if you mess up in math, I'm not tripping. Just like, all right, well, let's fix it. It's no big deal. All right, so here we go. 28 is greater than 18. Now, let's say you have a mixed number. Let's say I had 3 and 2/5 and 3 and 4/7, right? Did I do 2/5 and 2? I don't think so. Okay, so great. We have the 3 and the 3. They're not equal though. So forget about the 3. We are just focusing on the fraction at this point, because the whole numbers are the same. If they weren't the same, it'd be obvious as to see which one was bigger than what. So here we go. 7 times 2 is 14, and 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore, 14 is less than 20, so then it would be less than. I hope this helps. Bye!